Hey everyone, it's Emily here, and it's Saturday, September 25th, and it is currently 8:13. And me and Karissa, and my brother's girlfriend Rachel, and Ashton, my brother, are all gonna do Bonfire tonight, doing s'mores. So yeah. Okay. I guess we could just throw that full package away too. I'm kind of afraid because these are wood skewers.
I don't want to get caught on fire.
so yeah.
I want to get caught on fire.
They're wood skewers. So. Jesus. I'm not even touching my marshmallows. I was trying to burn my hand. I gotta even switch sides.
I'm just waiting.
Is yours getting melted at all?
Yeah, it's roasting.
like Dom just thrown it into the fire. That's not burning.
She's always
Watch us get caught on fire during my video. Oh. See, I'm not getting anything. It's actually this. It's obviously touching it.
I'm so scared.
This is stupid. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, and it was on the top.
This is good.
Holy God.
I don't like it.
This is getting a little scary, guys. This fire is all over the place. Oh, here's my marshmallow. Yeah. It's a little hot.
Emily, we didn't think about this.
What?
We didn't think about this. Oh my gosh.
It's so crispy. I'm so scared to put it in my mouth because it's so hot.
I'm just gonna eat it by itself.
No.
What? What is it?
Chubby bunny contest. Here,
Oh,
fuck. I forgot about the actual graham cracker and stuff for it. Oops. I don't need to put my hair because I'm gonna catch my hair on fire or something.
I feel like I'm gonna catch my arm on fire.
Oh, I broke my cookie. I don't know what those two are doing. Okay, let's attempt to do this again. Ooh, I touched the rocks.
It scares me.
I like it not to go all over the place. Jesus.
Yeah, I'm not going over there.
I've not even lit on fire. These flames are unreal. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's just the top part.
It just went.
Ah! Did you see that fly at me? Ah! kind of has some. Putting it over my computer. This is the dumbest thing I've done. Here, like, exactly. That was probably the stupidest thing I've done. Putting my. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Chris, I'm having problems.
I can see that.
I'm surprised you're sitting on it. Oh yeah, good one.
I wonder what they're doing.
No.
They're coming back up.
Did you find a sweatshirt that's yours?
Yeah.
That's good.
Normally now I'm coming. There. Now I'm in.
Hang on. Stay outie. Bye. They said they were going to have sports with us.
Your brother has an attitude.
Yeah. Facts. You know, I parked my butt really close to the line.
I keep thinking there's something over there. It's just
There is
the
just
plants.
the plants rushing against each other. I mean, we could have a horror film and have someone jump at us while we're roasting marshmallows. That'd be pretty cool. Scary, but cool. There is. Yeah, true. There's someone coming down the street. There's no stop sign, and there's no one coming. Whatever, I guess. Yeah. Should we get coats? It is kind of chilly out here. Or do you want a blanket? Put that there. Okay. Be right back.
That'd be the worst thing if we caught him.
Oh, that'd be terrible. Did the porch light kick back on?
That one is. That one.
I can't. Sounds right though.
I'm glad we cannot hear the walls at Martin's. We hear them arguing with you. Rachel's house.
Yeah. They argue a lot.
I can tell.
They're such a cute couple, but they always argue.
Well, what?
Huh?
What? Or you know?
I don't know. What? I'm hoping it's about small stuff. But... Oh crap. Watch me lose an eyebrow. Oh crap. This is scary. Oh, got it. Oh, there we go. It's a hot mama.
Are you kidding me?
I was putting on my phone. It was like, no.
No. We don't like that.
Oh, I just karate chopped it. Pow. Is this one? Oh, it's this
Yeah,
is.
that's so. Uneven.
It's okay.
I see actually hard ever put one country on Martin's.
Really?
Yeah.
He's pulling a me.
What do you say?
Because I was constantly over at my ex's more than I was at home. So now he's me. Now I'm constantly here and he's constantly there.
You switched roles.
You're there messy though. You're getting close to the end of the semester though. You're getting close to the end of the semester. Christmas is coming.
I have 2 classes left. Yeah, because it goes by 8 lessons. So I have 8 lessons. And it depends, like, normally they have a quiz after the lesson. Plus notes. And then sometimes they have a lesson. Not a lesson, assignment and a quiz. Yeah. I hated my English course.
Yeah,
I'm just waiting for her to grade it. My assignments. And then I just have to see the rest of it. So I would write like 6 pages of notes and then go to the quiz and there was nothing about it. I was like,
That's
this is
stupid.
literally waste my time.
Yeah. I didn't make it like that. Have it actually pertain. Oh. That's what I liked about my CNA classes is that there wasn't, like, we had homework, but it wasn't, like, graded. And it's like, you could take it or leave it kind of thing. So, like, I did my workbook, and I had my textbook. But other than that, it was, like, we get there in the first, like, 2-3 hours was quizzes. And literally, there was only 15 quizzes, so you could nail them out in one day. It'd be better if you paced yourself.
Yeah.
But there was no test. There was just quizzes until, like, you had to actually do the state test, which is the last part. But other than that, it was all hands-on.
Yeah, biology and then my actual intro to that after that. My math class is like in the first quarter, my psychology class is like the fourth quarter.
Really?
Yeah. So weird.
That is weird. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to the math part. Like, I'll get my CPR, my first aid first. But I have to get my med aid. There's a lot of math. I'm not a math person. But I mean, I'm gonna get it obviously, but it's just not my forte. I thought it'd be easier. I mean, maybe a math, but like easy math, like plusing, minusing, divide, kind of thing. Don't want to be like trigonometry stuff.
No.
Probs and stats. Like,
No.
I really hope not. I cry. So hopefully this is easy.
Yeah, there's my English was like over stuff that we learned in like elementary.
Really?
It's just like, what is a verb? What is a noun? What's an adjective? What's all this other stuff? And I was like, I don't freaking remember. Like they gave us the notes, told me, but it was still like I don't know. And then there's like, which is the correct sentence? Which is the incorrect sentence?
I hated those.
Which is this a dangler, a common slice, or some other stuff? My dad's good at English, so I had him help me once, and then I failed. And so I had my mom help me yesterday with this week, and I passed it. I'm just waiting for her to grade. I think I'll actually enjoy biology because I still have both my notes from 8th grade and
Really?
so like if I need help, go, okay, got my notes.
Yeah, I kept all my notes.
Also the good thing is my mom like last summer she got these like that textbook from this
Oh, really?
really helped me. And so I have those at home, so if I need like another reference in the books online, I can go with those and be like, okay, this is this. That makes more sense or something like that. And also like for diseases and parasites, there's like cards and they like show what kinds they were and like say stuff about them.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. I also have a dictionary and some other stuff. Like dictionary and then VCRs and some other stuff that I can like look at.
That'd be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think also on the days when I have time to read for my textbook, I got Audible. So, like, I'd be like in the shower or doing whatever I was doing. And I'd be listening to the books on tape or the textbook. So I was still studying. It wasn't just I was just sitting there.
Yeah.
That was really nice. My mom got that for me.
One that's nice about those is all the books are online, and if the book's not online, they'll send it to you. I don't know if they'll send it to me or what. It doesn't really say. It just said they'll send it to you. So, I don't know.
I'm hoping for free.
Yeah.
That'd be nice.
So,
Textbooks are not cheap.
and then they have like a math lab, they have a writing lab, so if you need help on English, they have those. And stuff, other stuff.
Yeah. Because I think my goal is CPR, med aid, LPN. And my LPN is going to take, I think it's a year and a half. And then RN. But they're not really doing LPNs anymore. They're kind of
What is it now?
a licensed practitioner nurse. So LPNs are going into like a shortage. They're kind of brushing us off now. So it sounds like at the Grand Island Regional Hospital, they're not really doing LPNs. It's just CNAs and RNs. And so I might just jump in to just get my RN. It's just like 2.5 years. Or depending on where I go. CCC, I think it's still like 2 years. But if you go to like a actual higher up college, I think it's 2.5 to 3 years.
No, it's probably more. My college is only 2 years. It's like, and you don't want to like do anything else, like become an actual vet and stuff. And I was like, not really, no.
Not really.
Because vet tech, I watched Tammy, and Tammy,
I love Tammy.
she does surgery after theater. And she's pretty quick. So she does it so fast, and I'm like, no, some of the cases too are just like,
Yeah.
I don't know.
It'd make my stomach sick.
My first one, I went to throw. That was the first one. I just got thrown in. This dog was like packed. And you bring in for like puppies.
I just can't see animals hurting.
He ate tampons in the garbage. Because it looked like it.
Oh my god.
And so we're like cutting into the tech that she's pulling out all this stuff. She's telling me, she's like, you don't feel good. There's a chair right there. Sit down.
Yeah.
Because of the smell and stuff. And I was like, okay.
Okay.
I wasn't like, it didn't faze me, but I was just like, it smells so bad. I just wanted to throw up. I was like, it was the nastiest smell. And she would ask me, she's like, Chris, are you okay? And I was like, yeah. She's like, I'm not. And I was like, what?
What? You can't say that to me. You can't say that you're not good.
She was gonna let me cut one time, and I was like,
I would not feel comfortable.
I've never done it. She's, well, the vet tech's like, well, this is where you can practice. I was like, no. I feel like I would cut the wrong vein or something and just start bleeding out, you know? Because I don't know anything. She like told me where to cut, but like it's just still like thinking in the back of my head.
I don't know. Oh, his hands swing around.
My mom said, you have like a smell. That's what she told me. When you come out of it, a smell.
You'll have a smell.
She's like, we were only in there the other day just to get pills. Yeah. So Lola, she's out almost. And she's like, I already smell like it. I was like, we weren't even in that though. And I don't smell it. Maybe because I'm so used to the smell. It just doesn't faze me anymore. Yeah. Normally I would like change after I got done.
That's how it was when.
Because I don't want to get the dog sick if I'm hearing something or bad. So.
Hi guys. No. Well, come over here.
I don't want to be a part of this freaking either.
Wait, this one's out.
Yeah, I can do that.
You will.
I'll cut it.
Or you can videotape half of it.
No, I can do that. Yeah, here, I'll just cut it. I'll cut the video. I'm back. So I'll show you guys the fire pit real quick. And then I think that's going to conclude our video. So it's fire pit. Fire. And I think that will conclude the video. Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching, and bye.